Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. I'm going to take up the FlyFans L-39 in the black diamond livery. The only mod I've done is a clear coat. High rates, 100% throws, 30% expo. Right, left, up, down, right, left. We're doing takeoff flaps this time. If you watch my post build overview video, I shared all my rates and everything with you. It's a good flying little plane running an AR631 with a Spectrum with a AR with a 2700 milliamp 6S China Hobby 40C discharge lipo.
Gear up, flaps up, time remaining 3 minutes.
I can really, you know, that in this particular camo, I can really see it really well.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay.
Flaps up.
That's a good looking plane. All right. I'll take off from down there.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Low rates. High rates. Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
There we go.
Flaps up.
That is a good looking plane.
Prop secured.
All right. Just look at that plane, folks. That is one good looking plane. Boy, fly is good too. I think if she's a little bit bigger, that'd be good. I might end up going back to getting the free wing L-39 again. I tell you what though, that's a good look. For $199, flaps and lights and retracts and suspensions, suspension gear at that is a good buy. All right, we flew for a solid 3 minutes. This is where I've got the China Hobby 2700 with a 40C right there, and that's the AR631 back there in the back. Let's get the balance lead out here and see how much juice is left in the battery. 12 bladed fan, still got 57%. I'm going to take off one more time, just one more landing and takeoff. Okay, one more, got to do one more,
Motor on.
Does help to have the motor on. All right.
30 seconds.
Okay, I want to do one thing real quick. I'm going to increase the travel on my elevator. All right. Here we go. Yeah.
Gear up. 20 seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5.
Yeah.
4,
I'm impressed with this little plane.
2, 1. Flaps up.
All right. There you go, folks. That is the L-39 Black Diamond livery FlyFans. Woo! Good flying plane. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. Bye, y'all.